Hey y'all, this is Reed with Trophy Class Real Estate. Today we are in Scottville, Michigan in Mason County. We are on a 20-acre parcel that has a few awesome features. As you can see behind me, this property features a deep, clear 2-acre pond. We also, in the southern portion of the property, have just roughly 600 foot of frontage on the south branch of the Lincoln River. Great place for building a home, a hunting cabin or hunting retreat, or just some up north getaway. If you're ready, let's go take a deeper dive.